Right, hello. Today we're going to be setting up the C3 for the neonatal circuit, which is less than 10 kilos. For the neonatal circuit, you need a dampener, which you can find in the HDU storeroom if there's not one already on the machine. And this just literally slots and pushes on the middle. Next, you need circuit. So this is the neonatal circuit. It's slightly smaller tubes than the adult circuit, and it also has this connection point on the blue tube. The adult circuit doesn't have this, just in case you're confused. So this all comes together in the bag. So this is your water chamber. You literally just slot it on, give it a push. And then this would spike your bag and it will self-fill. Then you've got the two tubes that go into the machine. So they're attached by this wire, so you don't lose them. The blue one has a picture of a man breathing in, and on the machine there's a picture of a man breathing in, so you know that one is blue. And the white one is a person breathing out, and on here there's a person breathing out. Before you plug your white one in, you need an expiratory valve, which is a clear one. Take the little plastic cap off. Make sure this diaphragm is on, because if it comes loose, it won't do the pre-op checks. You literally diaphragm in first, and then turn it till it clicks, like that. And then you can put your blue tube in. Then these two will go to your patient. Before we connect the patient, you need a bacterial filter, which goes here. This protects the machine. It only goes on one way, so you won't get it wrong. And then the final thing is flow sensor. So there's two flow sensors in the HDU cupboard. One is adult ped circuit and one is for the neonatal circuit. So that's what you're looking for with a little plastic bit. These two ends go here, they're colour coordinated, so there's a clear one on there and the blue one on there. You can see that. And this usually for the patient sits here. However, if you want to do pre-op checks, you need to remove it and put it at the end where your mask would normally go. Like that. And this is going to help you do your pre-op checks. So once you've done all that, you're ready to start with your pre-op checks. So clip pre-op check. Make sure you're on the right circuit at the top. Sometimes it will already be on adult circuit. So if you are using neonatal, you need to just make sure you are definitely on neonatal circuit. Otherwise it won't let you do your checks. So for tightness, press tightness. And then just put your hand over so you occlude it. And wait until it tells you to connect patient, and then you can let go. Yeah. Flow sensor. So when it says turn, you have to turn the blue thing all the way around so it looks like that. And then in a minute, it'll ask you to turn it back round again. It does take a while. And then turn back and let it finish doing its checks. Done. And then last is O2 cell. You only need to do this once a month. So just have a check, see if it's got a green tick and it's in date. You don't need to do that. If you did need to do O2 cell, you literally just press it and it just runs and does its own thing for a few minutes. You don't have to do any flipping around. So once all this is done and you're ready to put your patient on CPAP or a BiPAP, you can get rid of this and then move your blue sensor back to the white bit. These two are now ready to connect to the generator. So yeah, you see CPAP mask like that, and that's it.